So here we are at Dreamforce in 2016. It's a full event, again, as it always is. They're expecting around about 140,000 people here in San Francisco this week. Some interesting stuff that Comptel are doing here. Prime thing, a press release that went out today was our partnership with Aptus and the solution that we built on the communications integration framework of Salesforce. It's a new framework that Salesforce have brought out earlier on this year, which allows their partners to allow their applications to work together through APIs and really work very well together with the Salesforce platform itself, the customer success platform. A few things that we're doing this week. We've got 2 roundtables. The first one is going to be with Salesforce later on this afternoon, where Mika Yava is going to be talking about the integration work that we've done with Aptus and showcasing the demonstration that's been built. The second roundtable that we're doing is going to be on Thursday with Aptus themselves, where again we're going to showcase the demonstration to a number of telco invitees that are coming to that particular roundtable. At the moment we're showcasing the demonstration round on the Communications Industry Pavilion down in the Cloud Expo, and it's going really well. We've got a crack team down there who've been working very hard on building the demo, and it's going well down there, and we've got it being showcased on the main Industry Pavilion for Communications. We're also going to be presenting on the Partner Theatre. There's a short presentation with Aptus jointly to talk about live on the Cloud Expo floor. We're going to be talking about the actual demonstration and the solution itself. So plenty of activity. I'll just show you this background here, which is where we are. It's sun's out finally, and I'm going to go down to the Cloud Expo and I'll show you what we're doing with the demonstration. Okay, so I'm here with Paul O'Malley from Aptus, who's just been presenting on the Partner Theatre at Dreamforce. He's been talking about the partnership that Comptel has got with Aptus. Hi Paul, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Yeah, not too bad, thanks. Great presentation.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
So just a quick one for you.
Sure.
I know you've been out in the field talking about our relationship and the demo that we built. What's been the customer reaction so far?
It's been very positive. A lot of customers are actually really looking forward to seeing more when I talk to them. You know, they have these issues that we're discussing around managing the customer experience across, you know, the whole cycle, across the whole set of components that they have. So they're looking forward to seeing more. You know, they want to see more about the order orchestration between Aptus and Comptel. They want to see more about the service catalog and product catalog integration, and it's been very positive so far. Very positive.
Excellent. Are you looking forward to the rest of the show?
Yeah, it should be good. I just got to get a new pair of shoes, but otherwise it should be good.
Cheers, buddy. Thanks.
Thanks.
So I'm here with Peter Middleton, who's one of our VPs here in North America. And I just want to ask Pete a couple of questions. Firstly, what does he see as the drivers for some of the operators to adopt cloud-based technology here in the US and North America? and also what sort of difference can Comptel make to those operators?
I think there's a huge amount of drive from telcos in particular to move towards consumption-based services. A lot of cloud-based technology that they're beginning to get very used to in the data center is consumption-based. I think one of the inhibitors is they still see a group of vendors who are pushing for perpetual licenses. What we're seeing increasingly is that that's unacceptable to service providers. What Comptel can do is to take the lead in developing new consumption-based models that provide profitable business for Comptel, but also provide a new paradigm for the operators to actually buy these services. The very obvious benefits in reduced OPEX and reduced CAPEX that's brought about by virtualization can then be realized in software that matches that particular model.
Usage monetization and customer engagement. So this is the part where the customer behavior start changing. So the assumptions that they were in the beginning with the service doesn't anymore hold, and then we have the engagement in contextual for the customer at the time that they need a new element into their service. So that's really the demonstration. I hope you have time to stop by one of these days. Downstairs there in the hall, communication media booth, B2C service and order.
Awesome. I have my mic.
So I'm here with Mustafa Ayumi, who's just been driving our fantastic roundtable with telcos earlier. Mustafa, how do you think it went today?
Oh, I thought we had a fantastic session. One of the key points that we're trying to make in the session was that we have these best-in-class partners and OSS and BSS come together and finally, as a first copy in the world, deliver a complete OSS BSS stack on the cloud. So we talked about the process, these journeys that basically you could take a device, a customer buys a device, and from that moment on, from the moment of purchase, all the way down to network activation and service usage, we could show with this solution. So I thought it went fantastically well. It was very well received. I think Mikko did a fantastic job. I know he's worked really, really hard on building a solution. So I just want to thank him from the bottom of my heart. But I thought it was a wonderful session. And thanks so much for sponsoring, by the way. Comptel. Yeah.
Thanks, Mr. Oh, by the way, looking forward to seeing you next day, Neil.
Can't wait. I'll bring my jackets.
Okay, so I'm here with Mikko Java, a very well-known face in Comptel. So Mikko is the architect of this fantastic solution that we built with Aptus and Salesforce. So Mikko, in your own words, I mean, you know, what is the process of the demo that we're actually showing you? What is the demo all about?
Okay, let's think about what we actually need to change in the communication industry, what needs to be revamped. And there's two main things that need to be revamped. One of them is, first of all, the customer experience, and secondly, the agility of bringing new services. And we think that you revamp the customer experience by starting to think about the customer experience holistically as a customer journey. And then how do you bring agility? You also think about the service change, service life cycle, also as a closed loop journey. So in this demo, we implement these two very important closed loop business processes: personalized customer journey, and then also dynamic service lifecycle management. And we put them all together. We put them running in a cloud, and I think the result is quite great. I think we're going to hear more about it.
Fantastic, great, thanks, Mikko. And what did you think of the roundtable earlier? Were you quite impressed with that?
Yeah, we had a lot of discussion with our partners specifically, and some good comments also from the audience. I think it was generally very well received. I think we have our communication and the points are really on the mark. I think the transformation needs to happen, and I wish we'll be driving that.
Fantastic, great. Enjoy the show. Cheers, buddy.
Thank you.
Okay, and last but by no means least, this is Umut Karabudak, who is one of the excellent solution architects who's really pulled the technical workings of this demo together. So Umut, what has really been the major challenge of actually stitching this thing together?
Yeah, the thing is we use the different components from the Comptel. Also we collaborated with the Aptus with different use cases, and also geographically we are working in US, in Helsinki, Istanbul, India. All these resources and all these guys are connected and working together, and I think we did a very good demo in the end. It's a remarkable stuff that
It's
we
been a remarkable achievement, hasn't it, really?
Yeah,
I know
exactly.
how hard you all worked
It's
on
worth
this.
it, and it's well received, I think.
Yeah, and it's good to see there's a lot of positive reaction to it today at Dreamforce.
Exactly, people are excited and looking for listening that demo and to see how it's working.
Yeah, right. So we get some interesting service providers come by showing that we're really on the mark.
Yes,
Yeah, fantastic. Well, good for you, great job, and thank you very much.
you're welcome.
Okay, so I'm here with Wim Haverhals from Aptus. Wim, what do you think what do you say is the key differentiator or the key value proposition that we've created with Comptel working with Aptus and Salesforce?
That's a great question, Steve. Thank you very much. So, what the main component is that we've built over here is that we take recommendation one step deeper than just a data point that I've already built. I mean, what we do is we are going inside of the network and we are recommending based on either consumer or on a business or on a thing's behavior in that ecosystem, and that is unprecedented in this business. So we are able to take information, bring it back to our CPQ solution, and generate an order and activate it.
And you were part of the roundtable earlier. What was your feedback from the roundtable? Do you think that went well?
I think it went great. It was nice to be there with others that are dealing with the same problems that we're dealing with on a daily basis.
Was there anything significant that the operators in the room were like bringing up as key concerns, or?
I heard some. It's kind of interesting. I heard some key concerns on, can you do OSS in the cloud? Okay. And the key answer to that is, we're already doing it. So, I think this is the time to show that cloud-based telco is here, and it's here to stay.
Good stuff. Thanks.
All right, thank you.